Let's talk about video compression. What is video compression? Video takes up a lot of space. Uncompressed footage from a camcorder takes up about 17 megabytes per second of video. You now understand that it's very important to compress video before posting it to the web. Compression is just packaging the video information into a smaller space. There are two kinds of compressions: lossy and lossless. Let's see the lossy compression. With a lossy compression, the resulting compressed file contains less data in than the original file. As this will cause loss of information, it may happen that the quality of the video file is lower. But often you need to lose a relatively large amount of data before you start to notice a difference. This type of compression makes up for the loss in quality by producing comparatively small video files. An example of lossy compression is MPEG-2. Let's see lossless compression. Lossless compression is a compression without loss of information at all. At the end, your compressed file has the same size of the original one before the compression. So, what is the advantage then? Lossless compression provides as a result a video file and a perfect quality picture. An application is when you want to transfer a video file from one computer to another using a hard drive. In this way, you preserve the quality. Compression formats. There are several kinds of video and audio compression formats. You will find the name under the name of codecs. Many of them have been standardized by the International Organization of Standardization and the International Electrotechnical Commission. In the ISO IEC, the Moving Pictures Experts Group, or MPEG, is responsible of defining some of these formats. Some of them are MPEG-1, MPEG-2, and MPEG-4. The International Telecommunications Union, ITU-T, is responsible for the standard of, for example, H.261 and H.264 formats. Other compression formats are IntelliVideo and Real Video, based on the ITU-T H.263 codec. It is important not to get video compression formats mixed up with media container formats. A media container is a file format that contains data that have been compressed using a video compression format. So the media container is the end product of a video compression. Let's see how video compression works. The video compression software examines the pixels in each frame of video and compresses them by bunching similar pixels together in large blocks. Compressed videos contain less information because similar pixels are grouped together. The only changing pixels are those that show something in motion. As a consequence, if a video contains a similar frame, that is, there are no many changes, the video compression is easier. Let's see some recommendations. Of course, you need motion in your videos, and the body moving with a limited number of changes is also not recommended. There are some recommendations or tips that I want to give you in order to find a compromise between optimal video compression and best video motion results. Get steady. Whenever possible, shoot your video on a tripod. This will keep your background the same during the video, even with motions. Brighten up. Slight overexposure reduces intricate details, which means less information to process during video compression. This may run contrary to your instincts, but remember, those fine details probably won't show up anyway on a small internet player. Computer screens tend to make videos look darker, so added brightness can actually improve image quality. Watch your back. Find a static background and possible with a single color. A stationary background can be easily compressed and still look good. Go tight. The closer you are to a subject, the less information is on screen. If you are very close to the camera while talking, the only motion is that of your face.